think you will be doing when you are 70 years old? Just 1 year, many things change, but the 58 years, I can imagine. I will do these things when I'm 70 years old. Are you curious? Then let's listen, please. First, in 2081, South and North Korea will be changed into one, so I will do road trip to North Korea and even world road tour. Then I can eat Pyongyang noodle and can experience North Korea's culture. And if Korea changes into one, we can do world road trip. I think that will be so interesting and great. Second, when I'm 70 years old, I would be retired, so I will have lots of time. So I will do these 3 things. 1, I can read books, and I can even write fantasy books. If someone reads my book, that will be awesome. 2, I can do some sports, like golf, tennis, swimming, like that. I will have many things so I can do this. Also, we can make friends during play some sports. 3, I can solve some puzzles like jigsaw puzzles, Sudoku, to keep my brain healthy. To summarize, I will do road trip and writing books, sports, and also puzzles. This was my opinion. Was this solved? You're curious? Then thank you for listening my speech, and don't forget the like button. Thank you.